The wish that courses me in all I do is the wish to harness the forces of nature to the carrier of mankind. I prefer to recognize brotherhood, or identification no longer basically with the beings known as human. However, I choose to recognize identification with all life, even with such beings as crawl on earth. When you do something noble and stunning and no person noticed, do now not be sad. For the solar each morning is a lovely spectacle, but most of the target market nevertheless sleeps. It is stated that, the woodland has a sure restriction, if you seem to be straight ahead, however the facets are boundless. You will discover something greater in woods, than in books. Trees and stones will train you, at which you can in no way study from masters. We do now not see nature with our eyes, however with our understandings and our hearts. Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Notice the bumblebee, the small child, and the smiling faces. Smell the rain, and experience the wind. Live your existence to the fullest potential, and combat for your dreams. Leave the road, take the trails. Time spent amongst timber is in no way wasted time. And into the forest I go to lose my thought and locate my soul.